Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a role of a customer support associate at Rocket Money. Ever wonder what it's like to be on the front line as a hero helping customers manage their finances? Well, if so, this role is for you. We're going to discuss everything there is to know about the customer support associate at Rocket Money. Let's get into it. Rocket Money's mission is to empower people to live their best financial lives. In this role as a customer support associate, you will use an online chat platform to talk to Rocket Money's members. You'll provide excellent customer service, answer questions about the app, and assist members with their accounts and solve general issues. You'll be providing resources and guide members on how to maximize their membership, and you'll escalate technical issues to the engineering team and communicate solutions to members. You will use the Rocket Money app regularly and provide detailed feedback to the product team on beta features. So you'll be, in addition to just doing support, you'll also be using the app and reducing and reporting back to the team. And you'll do other duties as assigned by the supervisor, which is very common. A little bit about you. You have to have an interest in personal finance and a desire to see others succeed in managing their money. You should have great communication skills, should also be empathetic, which is practically you're able to relate to and validate other members' experiences and find meaningful solutions to make the situation better. So you are all about making solutions better or situations better. You also will be proactive in problem solving. You have to understand the workflow management, which is you need to know how to efficiently balance multiple competing priorities. So you have to be able to balance, and you better have good time management. They're also looking for you to be taking initiative. They're looking for you to be willing to jump in and help as needed. They're also looking for self-motivation and customer care experience. What they're offering is, this is a pretty nice package, guys. It's like they are offering health, dental, and vision plans, as well as competitive pay. They also have the 401k matching, which is a huge opportunity there, and unlimited PTO. That's right, guys, unlimited PTO. You get your daily breaks and you get snacks and coffee if you're coming into the office. This job is paying $20 to $24 an hour. If you want to apply, make sure that everything with an asterisk receives some type of information as seen here. They're also making it pretty easy for you to use LinkedIn profile, or you can create or put your own website. They are asking other information such as, are you authorized to work in the country? Will you require sponsorship in the future? Because some people are looking to be sponsored. They want to know a little bit about your experience in customer support. And they want you to write a few sentences to tell them who you are and a little bit about yourself. Voluntary information is solely for them to track. So you can definitely enter that information if that's something you desire to do. If not, don't worry about it. It's all voluntary. And as you can see, it's quite extensive. It includes everything from race, gender, to disability, types of disability, status of the disability, all that type of information. I think personally, if you want to fill it out, by all means do so. But if not, don't worry about it. Once you've provided all the information, the required information, as well as any of the voluntary information you'd like to, guys, go ahead and submit your application so that you can be considered for this role. This is a huge opportunity to make some great money and have fun doing so. If you're not interested in this opportunity, please pass it on to someone who may be interested. I hope that this has been helpful for you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.